and you can see the changes in your life. If you get time to do some tapas in your life, then this is one position which you can do, and the leg is perpendicular to the butt. Very difficult to do it without bricks. And chin and chest is
Makrasana, take the brick off, or take the brick, one brick, put the hand and forehead on the palms. Toes outside, toes out. So now extend, bring the foot together, extend the arms and the shoulder, take one brick in the right hand and right foot will twist to the left side and bring and just stay, extend the both arm. No. Arms on the floor. Head is facing towards the right. Arms on the floor. Three, two, one. Come back to the center. Take one brick, interlace the brick behind your back. Sarpasana, extend the arms behind, lift the shoulder. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sat, Ashtang, Nava, relax, release, extend the arms to the shoulder level, bend the left knee, twist to bring the left foot on the floor, face towards the left. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back to the center.
lie down on the spine. Arrange the bricks, align with your head. Wrist and ear in one line, elbow and wrist in one another line. Elbow facing to the ceiling, fingers pointing downward, root of the palm to the edge of the brick. Pressing the brick, raise the lower back and tuck the head on the floor. Hold there. starting position. Hold there, start position. From here further press to lift the head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop the head. Kandarasana with the bricks. Take your brick under the back, standing brick or 2 flat bricks. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can practice. Either 2 bricks flat one, and if you are related 2 bricks flat, then you straighten 1 leg or both legs. Anything is possible. Kandarasana is very important position for especially our ladies, for our thyroid gland which manages reproductive system. And those who are not able to keep the standing brick, then you need to take your feet against the wall. Feet against the wall, and with the help of the wall, raise the lower back to place the brick properly. Once the brick is on, always try to give 2 bricks for the support. That's good option. Nicely placing the lumbar and then releasing both legs down. Chin and chest is closed. These are the position where we need to hold it for bringing change and removing the disease from the body. The name of the asana is Kandarasana because you are holding the position on Kandha, that's called shoulder. Observe the pattern of breathing. Every inhalation expand the stomach. Exhaling, relax the stomach. Hold the brick and raise both the legs up. Vipareet Karni. A very important Kaya Mudra. A very important Kaya Mudra. Kaya is body. And Mudra is to channelize your energy. In Vipareet Karni, the lower back is up and the leg is perpendicular to the butt. Very difficult to do it without bricks. And chin and chest is slightly apart. No congestion. Do not press your chin to chest. And this is not the Sarvangasana. If you get time to do some tapas in your life, then this is one position which you can do it for 21 to 54 minutes and you can see the changes in your life. We generally do Hasta Mudra, and this is called Kaya Mudra. There are 3 types of mudra: head mudra, body mudra, and hand mudra. Widen your legs, kick the heel just for variations. For last 10 counts, spread the toes wide apart and bring the circulation in the entire leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feet together in Namaskara, and if you are comfortable to take your both the palms on the knees, then do it with balance. Slowly drop your legs down. Those who are taking the support of the wall, place your both feet against the wall, raise the lower back, release the break, and relaxed in Shavasana. Any physical discomfort to your neck, then turn the neck, find the twist to your neck, gentle twisting of the neck. This class is for anyone who is looking for slow strengthening class, slow but strengthening class. Also for our yoga teachers who are looking for different variations, yoga with bricks. Third, for the TTC students who wants to learn how to instruct the class. This class can be also practiced by pregnant ladies. Safe. Few asanas, 2-3 asanas where you need to take care of your stomach, and I have given the variation of it. Take necessary steps without opening your eyes. Sit upright, crossing your legs. 3 rounds of Om chant, breathing in. To inhale. Inhale. Rub your palms. Palms on your eyes. Look to your palms. Namaste. Thank you. Thank you.